Rochelle, and I just wanted to show you a quick out of your carpet. I live in an apartment, a very expensive apartment to me. My deposit was $600. And I do plan on getting it back at the end of my stay here. But I did have one thing that I wanted in addition to my family. That's Buddy over there. And I thought, what would it be like to have another dog? So I got Grizzy. Say hi, Grizzy. Yeah, this is Grizzy. Full of love and affection, but he's also trouble. So he got ink in my floor, and there's a spot there. He's chewed on a pen, and it's a couple of spots here also, but I'm going to mainly work on that spot for you. That is ink. If you can tell, that's ink right there. And it's been there for a while. I'll say about a month. And then I got a good idea. Like, hey, you know, if we can get nail polishes off of our fingers, why not get ink off of the floor? So, you don't need any special brand of nail polish remover. Just anything will do. And all I did was have the nail polish remover right there. And just some pads here. Like any makeup pads, anything like that. Yeah, just like that. And hopefully Grizzy won't get in the way. Buddy went off to the room. And we just put a little dab on. And it doesn't affect the carpet at all. I've got the biggest stain up. I should have thought about this before. And just push. And just push. Push. And you see? It's coming through. Keep pushing. Just keep pushing. And just let it dab. The secret is, don't smear. You smear like this, like, come out, stain, come out. Then it's going to smear all over your carpet. You don't want that. You want to dab. You want to get it up as easy as possible. And you see, it's almost gone. It's almost gone. It's not as dark as it was. So we keep dabbing. Turn it over. There's no point of wasting. Just, it's still wet. Just turn it over. Keep dabbing. Sorry if it's a little crappy. It's my first video and I'm doing it from my phone. I figured I'll just help somebody else if they got an apartment with another $600 deposit. And like, it's gone, actually. It's gone. And it's just a little wet. Let me see, is that gone? Let's see here. Oh, well, you can't tell. It's just a little wet. That's the wet spot. It's not even in. So, and there's another spot. Let's see here. Gonna get that. Just a little dab. There's no point of soaking your whole carpet after all. We still need this for our fingernails, people. Fingernails and toes. Do not use it all. Dab and dab and dab. Doop 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 doop. I've got a pocket full of sunshine. I've got a love and it's always gonna be mine. Oh, oh. Look at him. He's being fat over there in my kitchen. Come out of my kitchen. No sniffy, no sniffy, no sniffy. Say hey. Oh. See? It came out of the carpet and into the pad. Go back. You don't, nope. And it's not there anymore. See, it's not there. I think I still need to work on this one, though. This one is a little stubborn. And it was in my carpet for a complete, a month or so. Probably longer. And I was just dramatic. I was like, oh no, $600 down the drain. Bloop. And there we go. Excuse my ugly feet. This is all your fault, Grizzy. Yeah, be shameful. Be shameful. Mommy loves you. Say bye-bye, Grizz. Mwah. Boost, Boost, you want to say bye to the camera? Oh, but he's being a little shy. Oh, there he is. Bye.